Hey everyone, it's Miss Jade again, and today I have a special guest with me, Kris, who's going to be helping me make some peanut butter chocolate energy balls that are super easy to make, super delicious to have for a breakfast, a snack, a dessert, and you only need a few ingredients. So first you'll need some quick oats. You'll also need peanut butter, chocolate chips, and honey. What you do to begin is put all the ingredients in a big bowl together. So first we're going to put in the 3 cups of our quick oats. All right. After that we're going to add in our peanut butter, 1 cup of peanut butter. We're using creamy peanut butter, but you also can use crunchy peanut butter. It gives the energy balls just a little bit more texture if you like that kind of thing.
Yeah, it smells amazing.
Yeah, it does smell amazing. All right, then we're gonna add in the chocolate chips. So we have 1/2 cup of chocolate chips here. You can add in more chocolate chips too if you want it to be chocolatier. And then last, what we're gonna do is add in the honey. It's also a 1/2 cup of honey. We're just gonna eyeball it. You don't have to dirty another dish then, and it's not a big deal if you have just a little more or a little less honey than a 1/2 cup.
Is that pretty good? A little
bit more, I'd say.
To really use those muscles, those hand muscles.
Ooh. Yeah, I think that's probably good now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. All right, so once you have all the ingredients in your bowl, then what you're gonna do is mix it all up. And when you're mixing it, you wanna make sure that the peanut butter is getting evenly dispersed between all the other ingredients. And once you see that the oats are not completely dry anymore and they're getting a little bit of color to them, and you can see that the peanut butter is dispersed throughout, then you know that it's ready. So after you mix it, what the recipe calls for is to refrigerate it for 20 to 30 minutes. Now you don't have to do this. I don't always do this. You can form the balls right away, but what that helps with is when you form the balls after they're refrigerated, it's just a little bit easier. The ingredients are a little bit more together and firm, and your balls will stay together more as you're forming them.
Oh.
All right.
Almost there.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good.
Yes.
So why don't we go show them?
Yeah.
You can see that these areas are pretty much full of peanut butter, and then we have some dry areas
Still
over
getting
here.
that.
So you just want to keep mixing until all of the areas look like they're peanut buttery. So I'll show you after you would pop this in the refrigerator. Then what you want to do is take a little handful of your ingredients all formed together, and then you're just going to kind of press it in your hand like this to make it into a ball. And then this is what your finished product looks like. You can pop it in the fridge in a gallon bag or in a Tupperware container and store it in there for around a week and enjoy. If you decide to make it, we would love to see your finished product, so take a picture and drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.